Have you heard about the guy who mistook himself for a tomato? He had delusional disorder. What do you call a forgery of a noodle? Impasta. Schizophrenia in adults. How does it impact us, and how can it be treated? Schizophrenia is a serious mental condition, and is no laughing matter. It affects around 1% of the global population. It is a difficult and complex disorder that can have a substantial influence on a person's life. In this video, we'll go over what schizophrenia is, its symptoms, and how to conquer it. It is critical to comprehend what it is and how it impacts individuals. Schizophrenia is a serious mental condition that affects millions of individuals throughout the world. It is critical to discuss it since it is frequently misunderstood and stigmatized. Individuals suffering from schizophrenia may experience prejudice, isolation, and even mistreatment. We can assist eliminate stigma and enhance the lives of individuals affected. How? By improving awareness and understanding of schizophrenia. Leave a comment and click on our like and subscribe buttons. So, what exactly is schizophrenia? Schizophrenia is a long-term mental condition that impairs a person's capacity to think, feel, and act rationally. Delusions, hallucinations, disturbed thinking, and social disengagement are all possible signs. Work, socializing, and taking care of oneself can all be made difficult by symptoms. It is a serious disease that affects millions of individuals throughout the world. Sadly, it is frequently misunderstood and vilified. The influence of schizophrenia. Living with schizophrenia may be difficult for both the individuals suffering from the condition and their loved ones. This involves dealing with symptoms, managing with pharmaceutical adverse effects, and navigating the healthcare system. Relatives and friends may find it difficult to comprehend and support a loved one. Experiences can impair a person's capacity to operate properly, leading to feelings of loneliness, melancholy, and anxiety. Schizophrenia misconceptions. Those who have misconceptions about schizophrenia may find it difficult to deal. One prevalent misconception is that persons with schizophrenia have several personalities, which is not accurate. Another myth is that they are dangerous or aggressive. Yet, the majority of persons with schizophrenia are not violent at all and are more likely to be victims than perpetrators of violence. Schizophrenia patients have a single, cohesive identity. Yet, they may experience varying moods, thoughts, or perceptions at various times. What are schizophrenia symptoms? Positive, negative, and cognitive symptoms are the three types of schizophrenia symptoms. Delusions, hallucinations, and distorted thinking are examples of positive symptoms. Social isolation, a lack of motivation, and emotional flatness are all negative indicators. Memory, attention, and decision-making issues are examples of cognitive symptoms. Be sure to click on our like and subscribe buttons. What are the treatment options for schizophrenia? Thus far, we've discussed what schizophrenia is and how it may influence people's life. So how can the symptoms be managed and the quality of life improved? The good news is that schizophrenia is treatable with a mix of drugs, counseling, and lifestyle modifications. Let's break that out a little more. Method 1. Antipsychotic medications. Antipsychotic drugs, such as hallucinations and delusions, can be quite beneficial in lowering the positive symptoms of schizophrenia. They act by inhibiting particular neurotransmitters in the brain that are responsible for these symptoms. Of course, working together with a healthcare practitioner to identify the proper prescription and dose for you is essential. Method 2. Therapy. Therapy is also an essential component of schizophrenia management. It can assist individuals in learning how to cope with their condition, improving communication and social skills, and managing stress and worry. Depending on the individual's needs, other forms of treatment, such as cognitive behavioral therapy or family therapy, may be employed. Method 3. Lifestyle changes. Regular exercise, a nutritious diet, and abstaining from drugs and alcohol can all help to alleviate symptoms and enhance overall health. Also, taking care of your physical health might have a favorable impact on your mental health. So here's the deal, people. While dealing with schizophrenia, it is critical to seek expert aid and support. This is not something you want to attempt on your own. There are several options accessible, including psychiatrists, therapists, support groups, and advocacy groups. Don't be scared to call out for the assistance you require to manage your symptoms and live a full life. To summarize, schizophrenia can be treated with drugs, treatment, and behavioral modifications. It is critical to get help from healthcare experts and work with them to manage your symptoms and enhance your quality of life. Remember to take care of yourself, both physically and psychologically. Remember to click on our like and subscribe buttons. How can we break through the schizophrenia stigma? Regrettably, there is still a lot of stigma attached to schizophrenia and other mental diseases. This stigma might deter people from getting therapy and make it difficult for them to obtain work or housing. Educating people about schizophrenia and other mental diseases is one method to combat this stigma. We can assist minimize stigma and enhance the lives of persons suffering from schizophrenia. How? By raising awareness and understanding. Schizophrenia is a complicated mental illness that affects more than 20 million individuals worldwide. It usually appears in early adulthood, although it can also afflict youngsters and the elderly. It affects men more than women and can run in families. You can assist someone suffering from schizophrenia. 1. Get professional assistance and support. 2. Inform yourself and your loved ones on the disease. They will be able to understand and cope with it better. Many people with schizophrenia may have meaningful lives with the correct treatment and support. Schizophrenia is a complicated disease that affects millions of individuals throughout the world. It can induce symptoms such as hallucinations, delusions, and disorganized thinking, making regular functioning challenging. Individuals with schizophrenia may overcome their obstacles and live productive lives with the correct therapy and support. We can assist to minimize stigma and enhance the lives of individuals affected by schizophrenia. Lastly, there are numerous tools available to give encouragement and support to anybody suffering with schizophrenia. They include support groups, hotlines, and online forums. Click on the link in the description for more details. Comment on what you'd like us to feature next in our channel. Check out our playlists for more useful information like this. And remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.